What's up guys? Hi, it's Scott from Uncle Scott's Kitchen doing some grilling videos showing how to use some Debouille carbon steel on a barbecue grill for my good friends at Debouille. Now what I have here is a brand new Debouille carbon steel paella pan. This is a mineral B. It comes with a little protective coating of beeswax, which I've washed most of that off with hot water. And now what we're going to do is season this thing on my barbecue grill. Now why might you want to season a carbon steel skillet on a barbecue grill? The main reason is smoke. When we season a carbon steel pan or skillet, we get a thin coat of oil on the pan. We bring the pan up to temperature, that oil will smoke, it will polymerize, it will kind of bond to the surface of the pan. And if you do that in your house, you can certainly do it inside your house. I do it myself. You can season this on your stovetop or in your oven. If you do so, however, for the rest of the day, your house will probably have an odor of burning oil. And that does not keep the wife very happy. So what you can do to mitigate that is season these things outside on your barbecue grill. Now, some pans you can't do this with. Some Debouille pans have coated handles. They have a little plasticky medallion in the handles. Those are not good at very high temperatures like you might have on a barbecue grill. Paella pan, however, is different. Lots of Debouille pans have these stainless steel handles. These are high temp safe, and this will work just fine on the barbecue grill. So I've got my grill heating up. Word to the wise before you start a video, make sure you have a backup propane tank. And unfortunately I found out that I needed to have 2 backup propane tanks. So it never hurts to be prepared. Got it going now though. And what we're going to do is take a high smoke point oil. I've got some grapeseed oil here. I'm going to use grapeseed. You can also use Crisco, like just plain vegetable oil. You can use canola oil. Lots of people use flaxseed oil. I don't like flaxseed oil. In particular, that burning oil smell that I get in my house when I've used flaxseed oil in the past is particularly worse than the other oils. So if you're a flaxseed person, you definitely might want to consider seasoning out on your barbecue grill. What we're going to do is just get a few drops of oil on a paper towel. I'm going to wipe this entire pan down, bottom and interior. I'm not going to wipe the stainless steel handles down. They're fine. They don't need to be seasoned. Then we're going to put this on the grill, and then I'm going to fill in with about 1 millimeter of oil in the bottom of the pan. Doesn't have to be exact. I'm going to shut the lid. And we're going to allow that to come up and start smoking. You can see that the oil is smoking. The pan is not completely dark yet. What we're going to do now is carefully pour this oil into this can. What I want to do now is take that smoking pan, big wad of paper towels, wipe. Now, I'm going to close that lid again, let that little bit of remaining oil kind of darken in. What I'm going to do now is turn this thing over, get a little bit of direct heat on the cooking surface, and let that remaining oil darken in just a little bit. So here it is. I think the barbecue grill did a fine job of giving this Debouille carbon steel paella pan its initial seasoning. Now it's not jet black, but remember it doesn't have to be. We have seasoned this pan correctly one time, and now we can just start cooking. As we use the pan and as we season it more and more over the months and years to come, it will darken in much more. But it is perfectly fine and should perform nicely to go ahead and start cooking right now. Okay, and just to demonstrate this, let's take the pan inside, use it on the stove top, a little bit better light where you can see a little bit better. The pan is not dark, it's not jet black, but I got some butter in there, got the pan heated up. In goes an egg, and boom, we've got sliding eggs. The pan is cooking nicely after just the initial seasoning. Okay, look somewhere on this screen for links to other carbon steel videos you might find helpful. Hope you enjoyed this one. Leave your questions, comments, and feedback below. Check out the shopping links if you get a chance. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time on Uncle Scott's Kitchen.